Good afternoon, 7th grade. Mr. Long here. I just want to quickly go over some of the things that were posted today, very important pieces of information. Up at the top of the Google Classroom stream, Ms. Collier has sent an invite to our first Zoom meeting. That is supposed to be today at 1 p.m. If you are available, please click on the link to join our Zoom live. Now, you can do that with a phone or with your computer, just so you know. Also, Ms. Collier posted some missing assignments. If you have assignments that need to be done, the information for those assignments are located right here. Ms. Collier has also uploaded screenshots of what you need to get done on Newsela. That military dog article should be completed. It should have been done already. Also, today's lesson was posted. Today in reading, I would like you to answer the following questions in your electronic reading log. What problems does my main character have? Are these problems/conflicts internal or external? What type of conflicts are they? Character versus character, character versus self, character versus nature, or character versus society? How do you think your character will overcome these problems? Is anyone else involved? What are your thoughts on these conflicts? Have you ever experienced a conflict similar to this? Make sure to answer all parts in your reading e-journal. Also, for writing, please finish academic vocabulary 30 to 45. These words are part of your e-portfolio, and you'll be taking an electronic test, SGO, and you'll be taking an electronic test next week on the SGO. Later today, I'm going to attempt a virtual class meeting. I will send you a link to join. I'll be explaining our new class schedule. Check your email. It'll be great to see you all. Also, speaking about your emails, I have called home to several of your parents. I've spoken to some of you directly, and I've emailed all of you directly, and I've emailed every parent directly. So, if I haven't got a hold of you yet, or if the school hasn't contacted you on my behalf, they will shortly. Make sure you're getting your work done. It's your responsibility to get your work done. If you need help, we have been more than happy to give you help and to message you back. I'm messaging back students right now, right after this video and right before this video, so there's no excuse that you can't get this done. We are here to help, and as long as you focus and put in your best effort, you should be able to do it. All right, guys. Thanks for listening.